we are going to learn how to make a lash map. We do this for a few different reasons. First is to make sure each eye is symmetrical and has the same shape as the other. Another reason is to keep your work organized. Then, as we work, we can see which section we need to work in and what needs to be done next. We don't want to get lost. I lash map on every single client. It doesn't matter how good you are, as time goes on, lash mapping will help you lash faster, be more efficient, and have symmetrical work. All right, to begin, I first ask the client what shape they are wanting. Cat eye, natural eye, or whatever shape they decide. I use their natural eyelash shape and length to help be my guide. I'm going to do a natural mapping on this eye as an example. I'm going to lash map right onto the gel patch. I'm starting on the inner corner and I'm going to draw a short length like 8 mm. Next, I'm going to come across and I'm going to match what I drew on the other eye. The eyes are now symmetrical and I know exactly where I'm going to place the 8 mm lashes. Next, I'm going to draw 9, 10, 11, and then back down to 10 and 9 to follow the natural lash shape. That looks great. Now I'm going to do it to the other side and match what I drew to make sure they are symmetrical on both sides. This is how to draw a lash map.